Unlock rapid manifestation using this law of assumption technique. In this video, I'm going to break down for you in 5 simple steps how you can 10x the speed of your manifestation, and this stuff really works using the law of assumption, Neville Goddard's famous technique. Nothing I've ever found like this has ever worked in my life. I've literally manifested the life of my dreams. Everything I desire, I have it through using the law of assumption. It's super easy, it's super fun, and it just jumps over all the hassle, all the other techniques. Law of attraction, nothing touches this. It transcends everything. But if you miss one part of this, out of these 5 steps, it literally stops your manifestation dead in its tracks. So make sure you stay to the end. I'm going to run through this nice and smooth with you, right? So step 1, get crystal clear on what it is. Crystal clear. What type of house do you want? Some people say more money. How much? You might get 50 pence. You've got to get clear, right? So what type of house do you really want? Go online. Look at this house. How much is it going to cost? Where is it going to be? What living room is it going to have? Literally, what kitchen tiles are you going to have? The more detail, the better for this, because your mind is a goal-achieving machine. And when you get clear on this, you've got to saturate your subconscious with these images. You want to print the pictures off, right? You want to print pictures off, laminate them if you can. Put love and nurture this process. Get very clear on where's it going to be? What type of neighbours are you going to have even, right? And if it's an amount of money, think, what do I want this money for? A lot of people say big amounts of money. What are you going to use this money for? You're going to do some good with it. You're going to help your mother. You're going to donate to charity. You're going to start a business that really has a lot of purpose and contribution with benefit and mutual gain for all of your clients and customers. Who are you going to help with this, right? And this amount of money. Now work out the things you want, the kind of lifestyle you want, and see how much is that going to cost you every month, right? Because just right now, to live a very relaxed lifestyle, you might just need 5k right now, and you might not need to be shooting to the moon for all these crazy amounts or whatever it is. Write down the amount, right? And put it in places you can see. I'm going to get to that next, but just get clear, first of all, on the amount that you want to manifest. What type of partner do you want? If you're trying to manifest a relationship, don't go for how's this person going to look, all right? Because that's what everyone goes for. Go for energy, and you'll attract somebody that matches your energy. What type of energy do you want in a relationship? Somebody calm, somebody really chilled and placid, somebody that's funny, somebody that's kind and compassionate and supports you with your dreams, right? So what type of person is it going to be for you? Get really crystal clear. If you want a car, what type of car do you want? Excuse me, what model is it? Right? You need to get really clear. What's the steering wheel going to look like? Get the photos again, right? So make sure you know exactly what that model is. Even you can test drive it. A lot of people do this, and a lot of people say they manifested their dream car after they test drove it and they sat in it. Right, so get super clear on all of these things. You need to know exactly what it is you want. And when you do this, you will 10x the speed of your manifestation just with that one step. All right, so just to recap, step 1, get crystal clear. Step 2, make sure you write it down. I know it sounds funny and so simple. Most people say, oh, my idea is in my head. You ask people what their plan is, it's in my head. There's something called memory recall. And when you write things down with a pen, light codes go from your arm into your brain. And this is how you make it seep into your subconscious. You need to read this back to yourself. And when you let that flow out of the pen, it's absolutely beautiful and so powerful. And you can use this powerful technique we use for writing as well. Write down 5 categories. And write down health, wealth, purpose, relationships, and lifestyle. Right now, for your health, how do you want to feel? Do you want to have vital energy? Write it down, right? Write this down, whatever it is for you. You bounce out of bed with loads of energy in the morning. You don't get tired in the afternoon and slumped. You make it to the gym easy. You eat all organic foods. Right, you've got the money to eat organic now. That was one of my big manifestations years ago. I used to write, eat all organic, and I thought that was expensive. Now, all we eat is organic food, and it's beautiful. And some people say, oh, money's not everything, money's the root of evil, all this other stuff. It's just, money helps you have a better life. Would you like to eat all organic food? Right, and all these things that I wrote down in my documentation using this with those 5 categories, it all came true for me. Everything I've written down so far to this point has come true. Big things for me in my life. It really works. So how do you want your health to be? Do you want to have the blood work of a much younger person? Do you want to feel like you've got all the energy to do everything you want? And if you've got an issue right now, like you've got some problem and you're ruminating on, like you've got a bad knee or something, you want to be thinking about yourself jumping and running and bouncing. This is how you heal through the mind, first of all. Everything is created. Disease is dis-ease, right? So you've got to get at ease with this new version of yourself and write it all down. In your relationship category, how do you want it to be? Like I mentioned earlier, write down how your relationship's going to be. I've got a beautiful relationship with my best friend and we do X, Y, and Z together, right? Your lifestyle, what's it going to be? You're going to be working from a laptop in Starbucks? Are you going to be chilling? What's your lifestyle? Are you going to be on the back of a scooter with your partner in Brazil, with your new missus or your new boyfriend, filming YouTube videos, doing whatever it is that you want, creating content? Like, what is this going to be, your lifestyle? Are you going to just get up whenever you want and be your own boss? You're going to go over the health club when no one's really there and just go to the gym, go in the sauna, go in the spa, come out, feel how that's going to feel for you, right? You get to decide with this pen, right? So write it all down exactly one. And what purpose In the purpose category, what contribution are you going to give? A lot of people say, I want all this money. What are you going to exchange for that? One of the most powerful things I learned in life, there needs to be a value exchange and energy exchange. You don't just get loads of money. People who get money provide a service. You need to provide some kind of service. So, but more so, what it means to you, what's going to feel good to you in your heart? This purpose you're going to contribute. All right, so get really clear and write down all of those categories. Obviously, your wealth, get really clear on the amount you want, like I stated earlier as well. Okay, so step 2, write it down just to recap. Step 3, feel as though you have it. And this is the most important one. Feel it, you've got to feel it. Right, we're in an emotion universe. Emotion is energy in motion. If there's one word I could say that literally governs the whole universe and governs your life and your results, is emotion. Energy in motion. Everything is energy. What kind of energy are you emitting? The law of attraction is not my favorite, right? The law of assumption is my favorite, but the law of attraction is what draws things to us through energy, right? Now, before that, it's the primary law, which is the law of vibration. Everything is moving and vibrating, including your emotions, right? And your heart is an electromagnetic frequency generator. Literally, it's electromagnetic. And we're living in a simulation. It's an electromagnetic frequency simulation. So you're getting these thoughts in your head. Think of all the beautiful stuff you just wrote down then and feel it. Feel it in your heart. And you know, you can let go of all the pain, all the struggle. When you let go, it's like holding a ball under the water. When you let go of a plastic ball, if you're pushing it down, it springs up to the surface in the water, right? Once you let go of all the doubt, you can do it like this. Do it with me now. Put your hands on your heart. Feel. How are you going to feel when you've got this money? Exhale. Feel the relief. There's one word you've got to use here. It's relief. How are you going to feel when you're free? And you've got to bring in all of your senses, right? Because your subconscious mind is influenced by your senses. And if you've got to feel this as often as possible, you've got to stay in this emotion of feeling it. And really, that's the law of assumption. Simply, just stay in the wish fulfilled. Act as if you already have it. Sounds difficult because it's not in your physical environment yet, right? But the thing is, everything that was created out here was first created here in consciousness. So you've got to feel it in your mind, and you will start to act differently. If you close your eyes and you feel like money's on the way to me, imagine that 100 grand check is on the way to you now. What would you do? Are you going to clear your debts? Feel the relief now you're free of debt. Feel the relief now you can buy anything you want. Now you're going to go and help your mum and dad. Free of debt. Imagine now you've just paid off all your debts. You don't owe anyone anything. This money is yours to spend. You're going to go shopping. You're going to go to all your favourite places. You're going to help people. You're going to be able to start that business. Right? You're not going to be going into the job you don't like anymore. Feel all of those emotions. You're literally sending it out to the universe. And in this moment, this is where you burst reality. You change your whole reality. If you just do this now, take a deep breath. How will you feel when you're free? Ask yourself this question now. How will I feel when I'm free of stress, free of anxiety, free of doubt, free of financial worry and strain, free of debt? You're free to do all the things you really wanted to do. See, in that moment, you just shifted to a different timeline. And circumstances and events and synchronicities are changing to match your frequency. You are the authority in your life. And you've just got to feel it. You've got to feel it deep. Every day as much as possible, and for at least 17 seconds. In physics, it shows when you hold something for 17 seconds, it becomes matter. That's when things start to crystallize, right? But it takes a lot longer to crystallize out here. You hold this idea for 30 days, 90 days, as long as it takes you, and you don't mess up the next steps that I'm going to share now. Things are drawing to you right now in this moment. When you do that, you just did it. You created a powerful shift. And you've got to trust this stuff to be true because it works. And I've tried it over and over and over again. And these are those powerful techniques from books. I've read hundreds of books. I've read about 150 books. And I've taken this technique to be so easy and fun. So much easier and so much more fun than all the other techniques. And you can use this right now. So step 3 is feel as though you already have it. Now, step 4 is staying in a high vibration. Once you've done that great work, you've got to stay in a high vibe. That's all you do to be attractive. You're sending out the feeling. You've got it written down. You've got these pictures everywhere, all around your house. It's going to keep you in a high vibration. See that there? That picture? That's pictures of everything I want. Of everything I desire. All the things I'm manifesting, should I say. Not things I want, because it's done. They're already mine. It's obvious. I'm always expanding. I had pictures of an office like this. I had pictures of me having a business with 100 clients. I have it. I had one client. I was like, how am I going to get my first client? Now I have 100 clients. It's beautiful. I have the woman of my dreams. I never thought I could manifest a woman as beautiful and friendly and special as my woman now I've got. And I wrote it all down. And it's beautiful. I used to be terribly insecure. I used to be so insecure until I started to get clear. Even my MC and my music, I got 10 million streams. I wrote down what I was going to do over and over again, constantly writing, reading your notes. Laminate these pictures. They're laminated pictures. I go to a library and print off pictures. I print off pictures. They're all over the place here. Right? So make sure that you are very clear, you're dialed in, and you're staying in a high vibe. And that means gratitude. Stay in a frequency of gratitude. Thank you. When you're doing this feeling meditation and you're doing this every day and stacking these 17 seconds, hold it for 17 seconds, feel it wherever you are in the office. How do you feel when you're free? And you've got to know that you are blessed with the ability to see past appearances to the truth of being. And what does that mean? Seeing past appearances. Most people are looking out here for the results straight away because it's instant gratification. ASOS, Starbucks, ordering online, Facebook, all these dopamine hits. You've got to be patient and stay true to your word and true to your feelings. And it will start to manifest. When you worry, you focus on your worry, and what you focus on grows. And that's why you get the same repeated patterns. Human beings think 90% of the same thoughts every day. More than that, I think. All right, and 5% negative thoughts to 1% positive. 5 negative thoughts to 1 positive thought. So you've got to really keep thinking this and feeling it over and over again. And your brain is a muscle; it likes to be trained, just like a muscle. The more reps you do, the easier it is. When I spend long periods setting alarms, sitting, getting into this feeling, I remind myself, keep shifting that timeline to your new future, and it will start to crystallize without a shadow of a doubt. And you'll see magic happen in your world with this magic from the heart space. Listen to me, magic. It's beautiful. Stay in a high vibration of gratitude. When you're doing this, say thank you as if you've already got it. Celebrate, thank you, I've already got it. They tied humans up to machines and got them to play the piano, and then the ones that didn't play the piano but just imagined it, the same portions of their brain actually light up. Your subconscious knows no different and is connected to the cosmos. The subconscious mind is connected to the universal mind. And it starts to draw things to you. Is so powerful. All right, so step 4 to recap, staying in a high vibration, not getting angry, doing nice things, being around good friends, letting go of those friends that no longer serve you, dropping the bad habits, going to bed earlier, starting to do good things for yourself that raise your vibration so you become naturally attractive. And while you're focused on this and you're looking at your pictures and you're thinking well and you're feeling good and you know you're crystal clear and you stay in a high vibration, you will start to attract what you're getting clear on. Okay, so number 5, let go of doubt and fear. Let go of doubt and fear. This is the number 1. I left this to last because the speed of this manifesting is dependent on your level of doubt. How much this gets stopped in its tracks is how much you get doubt and fear into your mind and start worrying again. You look at your bill. Oh my goodness, there's the bill you created with your old thoughts. All right, the money you got now is the money you created with your old thoughts and feelings. You manifested that by feeling worried before. All the issues you've already got, different past thinking, so we're doing new thinking. Different past feeling, so we're doing new feeling. Right, so you've got to dial into these feelings and make sure you stay super focused on what it is that you want and watch what happens. Come back to me and drop a comment in this video. If you do this and stick to this, you come back to this in 60 days. I test you to really do this and you know you've done it. Listen, you're all going to get fear and doubt sometimes. You've got to remind yourself this, and the better you get at it, the more you see. It stops being believing. You go from thinking to believing to knowing. I know this stuff works and I'm just super chill. And I'm going to give you a powerful tip here. Imagine the end of a play. Imagine the end of a play. You saw how a play ended, right? You saw the end of this play, but you didn't see the whole movie, but you knew the play ended well, right? If you were watching the play, every time something went a bit wobbly, you wouldn't get worried. You know how this play ends. You've manifested it. You've selected it with your heart. You go there with feeding every day. So you're not going to be worried how it ends, right? You're not going to be worried about anything that wobbles during the middle. Someone's get kidnapped. A sad scene. She gets taken away. They split up for a while, but at the end, you knew they got a beautiful ending. You knew it was a beautiful marriage, and it'll be a beautiful marriage, successful with your manifestation when you follow these 5 tips. So I hope you loved that. Shall I tips? These are big, powerful steps, and honestly, you do these 5 things, there's no way you won't manifest your dreams. Right? And if you saw this video, it's meant for you. I hope you enjoyed that. Please click like, leave a comment, click subscribe, and hit the bell notification and put all on notifications if you want to hear and see me sometime again in the future, because I'm on this. I love it very much. Also, I've got a free manifestation event, live Zoom event coming up on the 19th of February, which is a Wednesday at 7 p.m. I'm going to put the link down below in the description. If you sign up, you get a free manifestation, fast track manifestation course worth £1,000 just for showing up, which I give you just for showing up. Also, if you want to work with me one-to-one, there's a form below as well. I've helped hundreds of people to manifest massive things in their life, literally massive testimonials, but we'll go there for another day. So lots of love. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Big love.